Hello and welcome to our yoga session. Today we're exploring 5 beginner-friendly poses that will strengthen your core and can be done anywhere, anytime. This video is perfect for young enthusiasts from the USA and UK eager to enhance their fitness journey. Core strengthening yoga goes beyond building muscles. It fosters balance, stability, and overall well-being. So roll out your mat and join us on this empowering journey. Ready to explore? Let's get started and embrace the transformative power of yoga. Stay tuned for our first pose. Let's dive into the plank pose, a fundamental exercise for engaging your core. Begin on all fours, ensuring your hands align with your shoulders. Extend your legs back one at a time, creating a straight line from head to heels. Your body should resemble a plank. Keep your core tight and gaze slightly forward, maintaining a neutral spine. This pose fortifies your core and enhances overall stability. If you feel strain, lower your knees for a modified version. Remember, the plank pose is essential for developing strength and balance. Focus on steady, deep breathing as you hold this position, feeling your core grow stronger. Ready for the next pose? Let's transition into boat pose, where we'll continue to strengthen that core while working on balance. Stick with us as we explore more ways to enhance your yoga practice. Next, let's explore the boat pose, a fantastic way to challenge and strengthen your core. Sit comfortably on the floor and lean back slightly, finding balance on your sitting bones. Exhale and lift your legs off the ground, forming a V shape with your back and thighs. Engage your core, keeping your chest open and shoulders relaxed. Breathe steadily. For an added challenge, try straightening your legs. Find the sweet spot where your core is engaged and you're balanced. It's okay to wobble, that's part of building strength. Keep practicing and soon you'll hold the pose with ease. Boat pose is about cultivating focus and balance, building a strong foundation for your yoga practice. Now let's transition smoothly to bridge pose, continuing our core strengthening journey. Now let's move to the bridge pose, a powerful exercise for your core and back. Lie flat on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, lift your hips towards the sky, forming a bridge shape. Feel the strength in your core and support in your back. This pose strengthens muscles and improves flexibility and balance. As you hold the position, breathe deeply, feeling energy flow through your body. Bridge pose builds a strong foundation, essential for any yoga practice. By consistently practicing these poses, you'll notice improvements in your physical and mental well-being. Ready to continue? Let's see what the next pose has in store for us. Let's move into the cobra pose, a key step in our yoga journey. Lie comfortably on your stomach with hands under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground, feeling the stretch through your core and back. This pose enhances flexibility and strengthens spine-supporting muscles. Breathe steadily, allowing each breath to deepen the stretch and fortify your core. Feel the energy flowing through your back as this pose builds strength and stability. It's an essential part of our core strengthening routine, accessible to all beginners. Keep practicing at your own pace, and soon you'll see remarkable improvements in posture and core strength. Stay with us as we transition into the downward dog next. Now let's master the downward dog. Begin on all fours, with hands shoulder-width apart and knees aligned under your hips. Lift your hips towards the sky, straightening your legs as much as possible. Feel the stretch through your back and hamstrings as your core engages. Remember, it's about the journey, not perfection. This pose fortifies your core and enhances overall flexibility. Breathe deeply and let your body find balance and strength. Imagine energy flowing from fingertips to toes, invigorating every muscle. With practice, you'll find ease in this pose. Each pose builds upon the last. Now, let's see how we bring all these together with our final thoughts. Great job completing these core strengthening poses. Consistency is key. By practicing regularly, you'll build a strong, stable core. Feel empowered by your progress and keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this session and want more yoga tutorials, subscribe. Stay committed to your practice and grow stronger with each pose. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to guiding you on your yoga journey. See you in the next video.